Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to solve unseen passage. But before that, let's see what does passage mean. Passage is a portion or section of a written work, a paragraph or a verse, etc. Now, there are two types of passage, seen passage and unseen passage. What is the difference between the two? Let's see. If a passage is known to you, if you have already read it, then it is called seen passage. But if it is an unknown one and you have never read it before, then it is called unseen passage. For example, this is your textbook, isn't it? Yes. A few days back, we have read this chapter called Stone Soup, right? As you have already read the chapter, you already know the story. Suppose I take out a small paragraph from the same chapter. The paragraph taken out is a seen passage. Why seen? Because we have already seen it. So you can easily find the answers from the passage. Now look at this paragraph. It is about Diya. Have you read it before? No. So, this paragraph which you have never read before is called unseen passage. Today, you will learn how to find out the answers based on the passage. So children, remember, before answering the questions, you must read the passage several times to understand it so that you can easily answer the questions. Okay? Let's read it together. Diya is Sara's best friend. Diya is getting ready for her birthday party. She bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. Sara's favorite color is red. Diya wants to wrap it in red paper. She is sad. Looking at Diya's sad face, her mother told her to wrap the gift in her red scarf. Diya is happy. Now we have to answer the questions based on this passage. I will help you learn how to find the answers from the passage. Let's begin. The first one, part A. Take the correct answer. Number 1. Diya is getting ready for part A, school. Part B, birthday party. We have to put a tick on the right answer. Let's see. Diya is Sara's best friend. Diya is getting ready for her birthday party. So, the answer is birthday party. Put a tick on part B, that is birthday party. Number 2. Diya bought a part A story book, part B doll. Let's see. Diya is Sara's best friend. Dia is getting ready for her birthday party. She bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. So the answer is book of stories, or we can say story book. Put a tick on part A, that is story book. Part 3. Sarah's favorite color is part A, blue, or part B, red. Let's see. Dia is Sarah's best friend. Dia is getting ready for her birthday party. She bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. Sarah's favorite color is red. Red is the correct answer. Put a tick on red. Let's do the next question now. That is, write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Dia and Sarah are best friends. Yes. Read the very first line of the passage. That is, Dia is Sarah's best friend. This one is true. Write T inside the first box. Number 2. Sarah's favorite color is blue. No, we have just answered it in the previous question. Sarah's favorite color is red and not blue. So this one is false. Write F inside the second box. Number 3. Dia finds red paper. Let's see. Dia is Sarah's best friend. Dia is getting ready for her birthday party. She bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. Sarah's favorite color is red. Dia wants to wrap it in red paper. She is sad. Looking at Dia's sad face, her mother told her to wrap the gift in her red scarf. So we can see that Dia couldn't find a red paper. That is why her mother gave her a red scarf to wrap the gift. So the third one is false. Write F inside the third box. Okay, now we have part C, that is fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dia is Sarah's dash friend. Let's see. Dia is Sarah's best friend. So, we will write best in the first blank. Red is Sarah's dash color. Dia is Sarah's best friend. Dia is getting ready for her birthday party. She bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. Sarah's favorite color is red. So what is the answer? Favorite. Right. Favorite color. Write down favorite in the second blank. Number 3. Dia wants to dash gift in red color. We will start from where we left. Dia wants to wrap it in red paper. So we will write wrap in the third blank. Dia wants to wrap gift in red color. Dia bought a dash. As you can see in the third line of your passage, she bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. So either you can write book of stories or story book in the fourth blank. Diya bought a story book. Now the last one. That is part D. Answer in one word. Number 1. Diya is getting ready for Sarah's dash party. Let's see. Diya is Sarah's best friend. Diya is getting ready for her birthday party. So the answer is birthday. Number 2. Diya wants to wrap gift in red dash. Take up where we left off. She bought a book of stories as a birthday gift. Sarah's favorite color is red. Diya wants to wrap it in red paper. So the answer is paper. Diya wants to wrap gift in red paper. Number 3. Can Diya find any red paper? What is the answer here? Yes or no? Right. No. We have already answered this in the previous question. Diya couldn't find a red paper. That's why her mother gave her a red scarf to wrap the gift. So the answer is no. Number 4. Diya wraps gift in red dash. Right, scarf. Read the second last line of this passage. Looking at Diya's sad face, her mother told her to wrap the gift in her red scarf. So the answer is scarf. Number 5. Finally, Diya is dash. What is the answer here? Read the last line. Diya is happy. So, the answer is happy. Okay, children. So, this is how we find the answers from the passage. Hope you understood it. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.